Hey everybody! Traditional lamb shawarma in restaurants are normally cooked on a vertical rotisserie spit. I've modified the traditional method to make it more accessible to the home cook while still keeping all the wonderful flavors that make shawarma lamb such a popular item. For the rub mixture, we'll need 1½ teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of sumac, 1½ teaspoon of smoky paprika, 1½ teaspoon of onion powder, ½ teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Baharat. Baharat is a Middle Eastern spice mix that commonly consists of cumin, coriander, cloves, nutmeg, cardamom, and cinnamon. It can be found online or at a Middle Eastern market. After combining all the ingredients, you'll have a mixture that looks something like this. I'll be using a 6-pound leg of lamb that has been deboned. I'll liberally sprinkle the spice mixture all over the inside and the outside. After the rub has been applied, tie the lamb up so it'll cook evenly. If you're not sure how to tie a roast, you can watch my quick tip video to learn how. I'll give a link to that video in the description box. I'll light my charcoal and let my Kamado reach 300 degrees. It's been about 30 minutes and the Kamado has stabilized and reached the desired temperature. I've got it set up for indirect cooking. I'll place the lamb in it and let it cook for about 1.5 hours before turning it over. After flipping it, I'll let it go for an additional 1.5 hours. Total cooking time will be about 3 hours. Spend about 3 hours and the lamb is ready to be taken out. Let it rest for about 20 minutes before serving. The spice mixture partnered with the lamb forms a complex and full flavored combination that's simply marvelous. I like serving it with a traditional cucumber tomato salad, hummus, and flatbread. Thanks so much for spending some time with me again. Subscribe to my channel for more food from all around the world cooked in a Kamado.